Ever wondered how cryptocurrencies work? Well, let's dive right in. Cryptocurrencies are a fascinating blend of technology and finance, a sort of digital money. But unlike paper money or coins, cryptocurrencies aren't physical entities. They exist in the virtual world, stored in digital wallets and traded online. At the heart of cryptocurrencies is the concept of cryptography. Cryptography is a method of securing information and communications through the use of codes, so that only those for whom the information is intended can read and process it. In the case of cryptocurrencies, cryptography is used to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. You see, every time a transaction is made using a cryptocurrency, a record of that transaction is created. But instead of being stored in a centralized database or ledger, like with traditional banking systems, these transactions are recorded on a decentralized public ledger known as a blockchain. Blockchain technology is the underlying mechanism that keeps these digital currencies secure and functional. It's a sort of digital ledger that records all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency, and the data is stored across a network of computers, making it incredibly difficult to tamper with. This decentralized nature of blockchain technology means that it doesn't rely on a central point of control. Rather, it operates on a peer-to-peer network where everyone has access to the entire history of transactions. This ensures transparency, security, and the immutable nature of the data. In essence, cryptocurrencies are more than just digital money. They represent a new way of transferring value, one that is secure, transparent, and operates outside the traditional banking system. So, whether you're looking to invest, transact, or simply understand the world of digital finance, understanding cryptocurrencies and the technology behind them is a great place to start. Cryptocurrencies are a revolutionary form of digital currency, powered by the secure and transparent technology of blockchain. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn and understand about this fascinating world, so stay tuned. Now you may ask, what exactly is this blockchain? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Picture a giant, decentralized digital ledger. This ledger isn't stored in a single location or controlled by one entity. Instead, it exists across multiple computers all over the globe. This is the essence of blockchain. In this blockchain, each transaction is recorded as a block of information. Every time a new transaction occurs, a new block is created. This block contains details about the transaction, like the time it happened, the amount transferred, and the parties involved. But here's the kicker. This new block isn't just added in a random place. It's permanently linked to the block before it, like a link in a chain. And that's where the term blockchain comes from. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what's the big deal about this chain of blocks? The beauty of this setup is its security and immutability. Because each block is linked to the one before it, it's extremely difficult to tamper with the data. If someone tries to alter a block, it would disrupt the chain and be noticed immediately. Moreover, since the blockchain is decentralized and spread across multiple computers, there's no single point of failure. It's like having several copies of the same book. If one book gets lost or damaged, you still have the others. But it doesn't stop there. The blockchain is not just secure, it's also transparent. Everyone can see the transactions, but the identities of the parties involved are protected. It's like a giant public spreadsheet, where you can see the numbers but not who's behind them. And that's the magic of blockchain. It's a system that's secure, transparent, and decentralized. It guards against fraud and tampering while maintaining privacy. And this is why it's so crucial to cryptocurrencies. Every time you send or receive cryptocurrencies, the transaction is recorded on the blockchain. So, the blockchain is a secure and transparent system that forms the backbone of all cryptocurrency transactions. So, where do you keep your cryptocurrencies? The answer is in a wallet. Just as you store your physical cash in a wallet, cryptocurrencies also need a safe haven. That is where a cryptocurrency wallet comes into play. It is an application or device designed for storing, sending, and receiving digital currencies. A cryptocurrency wallet doesn't actually store your coins in the way that a physical wallet would, but instead, it saves the digital credentials necessary to access and manage your blockchain assets. Cryptocurrency wallets come in many forms, each with its own unique features and security measures. The two main types are software wallets and hardware wallets. Let's explore these a bit. Software wallets are applications that you can install on your computer or your smartphone. These wallets are quite convenient for regular use as they allow for quick and easy transactions. However, as they are connected to the internet, They are susceptible to online threats, so it's crucial to ensure that your software wallet has robust security features. On the other hand, hardware wallets are physical devices, somewhat like a USB stick, that store your private keys offline. This cold storage method provides an added layer of security, as it is immune to online threats. While they may not be as immediately accessible as software wallets, hardware wallets are often the go-to choice for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency, especially for those who prioritize security over everything else. Some wallets are designed to hold only one type of cryptocurrency, while others can hold multiple types, making them useful for those who dabble in a variety of digital currencies. When choosing a wallet, it's important to consider your individual needs and circumstances, including the type of cryptocurrency you own, how often you plan to access it, and your security preferences. To sum it up, cryptocurrency wallets are your personal interface to the blockchain network, much like how your online bank account is an interface to the traditional monetary system. They are the digital equivalents of your physical wallet, keeping your digital assets secure and accessible. Looking to buy or sell cryptocurrencies? You'll need an exchange. Picture a bustling marketplace filled with countless goods and myriad buyers and sellers. Only this market is digital and operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is a cryptocurrency exchange, the heartbeat of the digital currency world. So, what exactly is a cryptocurrency exchange? In simple terms, it's an online platform where cryptocurrencies can be bought, sold, or traded. Just like a traditional stock exchange, where stocks, bonds, and other securities are traded, a cryptocurrency exchange is a place where digital currencies are traded. But it's not just about buying and selling. Cryptocurrency exchanges can be a treasure trove of information and tools for the savvy investor. Many exchanges provide real-time price charts, trading volume data, and other analytical tools that can help you make informed decisions. Moreover, exchanges offer a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. From the well-known Bitcoin and Ethereum to the lesser-known altcoins, exchanges provide a platform for these digital assets to be traded. This means you have the opportunity to diversify your portfolio and potentially discover the next big thing in the world of cryptocurrencies. Now, you might be wondering about the process. How does it work? Well, it's quite straightforward. You set up an account, deposit your chosen currency. This could be a traditional currency like dollars or euros or another cryptocurrency, and then you're ready to trade. It's as simple as that. However, it's important to remember that not all exchanges are created equal. Some cater to beginners with user-friendly interfaces and customer support, while others are geared towards more experienced traders with advanced trading features. So it's crucial to choose an exchange that fits your needs and level of expertise. Exchanges are the marketplaces of the cryptocurrency world, facilitating the buying, selling, and trading of digital assets. Just like any marketplace, they're dynamic, exciting, and full of opportunities. So whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious beginner, there's an exchange out there for you. Happy trading! Ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency investing? Let's journey together into this exciting digital frontier. Firstly, arm yourself with knowledge. Be sure you've got a firm grasp on the basic concepts we've discussed earlier, understanding cryptocurrencies, the mechanics of blockchain, the purpose and types of wallets, and the role of exchanges. These are your tools, your foundations. With these in your arsenal, you're already ahead of many who jump in without understanding the waters they're wading into. Next, decide on your first cryptocurrency. There are thousands out there, so how do you choose? This is where research becomes your best friend. Look into promising projects, read reviews, follow industry news. The world of cryptocurrency is dynamic and ever-evolving, so staying informed is key. Remember, knowledge isn't just power, it's also your shield against potential pitfalls. When you've chosen your coin, it's time to take the plunge. But hold on, not so fast. Here's a crucial piece of advice. Start small. Cryptocurrency investing, like any other form of investing, carries risks. The market is volatile, with values that can skyrocket one moment and plummet the next. So, invest only what you can afford to lose. This isn't about betting the farm, it's about calculated risks. As you gain experience, refine your strategy. Learn from your successes, and perhaps more importantly, your failures. Keep abreast of trends and changes in the market, and don't be afraid to consult reliable sources. Experts, industry insiders, and seasoned investors who've navigated these waters before you. They can provide insights you won't find anywhere else. Finally, remember that patience is a virtue in investing. The road to success is rarely a straight upward climb. There will be dips, there will be peaks. But with careful research, informed decisions, and a healthy dose of patience, you're well on your way. With careful research and informed decisions, you can embark on your journey in the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing.